Alrighty, gonna do a room tour, Montego Bay Casino Resort in Wendover, Nevada. Now that's a name I could easily screw up right there. But first, kind of vending machine. I think there's laundry on the floor too, but I'm not sure. Only Pepsi products on this thing. Oh, this elevator right there. Electrical room. I like how they got everything labeled in here. There's the room we're staying in. I'll put this the other way. Alright. So come in the room. Here is our map. Looks like we got an elevator there, 2 there. So, oh, and then another 2 down there. It's a pretty decent setup for the wing. First thing you come in on the left when you walk in, you see the bathroom. I mean, this is a real 80s hotel for sure, but very nice, very posh facility for sure. Not my favorite kind of sink. This is kind of where you have to pull up the water to get it to work, and you turn hots this way, cold that way. But that works. Come in here. Got your closet right there. Look at these ceilings. Wow, decorated ceilings. Got a shower, towels, and toilet right there. See, I think I just pull this way. And the tub looks fairly decent. I'm not sure what, I think that's a rust spot. Yeah, that's a rust spot on it. But there's how the tub runs. Shower. Well, that's kind of annoying, but it works. Toilet over here. Wall-mounted toilet. You don't see that much in hotels, I will say. That works. Everything in the room here seems to work. Got a hairdryer and napkins and, well, napkins, what am I talking about? What am I talking about? I'm too tired for this. Cups. So when you come in and see the room, this is what you're greeted with. 10-foot ceilings. 2 king-size beds in this room. Got a digital thermostat system. What looks like a desk slash prep area with a mirror. Keurig coffee maker with some pre-made coffees. Fridge, which seems to work. In each cabinet, there is nothing in there, but you got your wall-mounted television. Let's see, is there anything in any of these? I do not believe so. No, there is not. Oh, just looking at this. Didn't see that before. The instructions on the back of the key card. Never seen one drawn like that. Got your 2 beds. It's already 9 p.m. Certainly doesn't look like it. Unless... Oh wait, I'm holding my phone. I can't check the time. Never mind. Should have some stuff, my mom's stuff in there. And the Bible's right there, the gold book. And the phone. So you come over, you got mirrors on this wall. And 2 very nice white chairs. And looks like reading material of sorts. A little light, I would imagine you can probably turn that on somehow. I'll find out in a bit. So the windows are tinted blue here, so looking out, it's a little bit blue. But as with any hotel casino, you got your bright lighting on the hotel building. And a view of Salt Plains. And the Wendover Nugget is on the other side there, on that side, across the street. But yeah, pretty interesting little area. Very nice hotel room. I have not checked to see what the amenities are here, and I have a feeling I'm going to have to splice together 2 portions of a room tour for this and an amenity tour, but maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. That's it for this one.